Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Morris from the Best Online Tutorials here, and in today's video I will show you how to fix the error code on your BOSCH dishwasher. Now the error code we're going to be looking at for today's video is the E21 error code. Now this error simply indicates an issue with the circulation pump. Your dishwasher may stop mid-cycle, not clean dishes properly, or show the code after attempting to wash. In many cases it's caused by debris blocking the pump impeller. Basically, what are the common causes of this particular issue? Debris, food scraps, or small objects blocking the circulation pump impeller and then build up in the pump chamber. So if there's kind of like a build up in this pump chamber, you'd be having issues, whereas you can see a clean pump chamber that looks like this wouldn't have such issues. And sometimes it could be a faulty or worn out circulation pump. So that's where you get a technician. All right, so what are the fixes you can try for this issue? One of the main issues with the circulation pump or filter is cleaning it. So when you can clean it out, you can solve the problem. So a main fix for this would be unplugging your dishwasher, removing any standing water like this, any standing water here from the bottom with a sponge or towel, and then remove the lower basket and then simply twist out the filter and then clean it thoroughly under running water and then access the circulation pumps. It often requires you tilting or remove the base panel. Just simply check your manual and then remove the pump cover, clear debris from the impeller, wear some gloves, sharp objects are possibly there, and then ensure it spins freely and simply reassemble it. So all you need to do is just remove the pump cover, clear the debris from the impeller, and you're good to go. It simply looks like this. All you need to do is just open this up and clear out the impeller and make sure it's looking good and clean. All right, and then you can still run additional checks like after cleaning, run a maintenance cycle with a dishwasher cleaner and then check for any loose connections if accessible. And then you can reset again by unplugging for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, if this issue actually persists, all you need to do is contact Bosch support and they would come in and they can fix this issue. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.